Guys, so we're inside my garage. Just picked this 99 to 02 Silverado grill. It's the original OEM one, but if you can see, it is slightly gray. It's not gonna look good, so I'm gonna use this vinyl and fabric spray. I've used it before on door panels, and I think it was door handles too. Works great. It sticks really good, and it gives it a nice flat black finish, but it leaves it to the point where you can use like a like one of those interior dressings, and it actually shines it up even more. So let's tape this up and then let's see how it's gonna turn out. Hey guys, so I just finished taping it up, and I just realized that I think the chrome fillers were removable. It's all right though. It's an old grill going on an old truck. I'm probably gonna do an HD conversion later on, but this would do for now. And I know some people are gonna say, "Wow, that's a horrible, taping," but it would do. And I'm also going to probably get comments, why don't I use Plasti Dip? And I'm really tired of Plasti Dip. Everybody uses Plasti Dip, almost everything. I think this will do way better than Plasti Dip. So let's start it.